Welcome to Lesson 5-9. That's topic 5, Lesson 9. Today we're going to be converting metric units, and we're going to do that using ratios. Now a little sidebar here, metric units, what the whole world uses, except for us, the United States, Liberia, and Myanmar. When I was in 5th grade, I remember 6th grade, they kept telling us we're going to be switching the metric. We haven't done it yet. I don't know why the whole world uses metric. It's way easier to convert between metric units. You're either multiplying or dividing by powers of 10 with customary units, dividing by 5,280, 16 sometimes, 8 other times, 12 another time. Way harder to use. But anyway, it's what we use in the United States. But for today, we're going to use those international units, metric. So here we go. Amelia is helping her father build a skate ramp, and they cut a board 1 2/10 meters long to use as the back of the ramp. And we want to know if that is correct. So we need to change 120 centimeters to meters so I can compare with like units. First off, we need to know that 1 meter is 100 centimeters. Centi means hundredth. And let's convert that. And we're going to use dimensional analysis. So I put my 120, that should be centimeters, over 1. And I want centimeters to cancel out. So I'm going to put centimeters on the bottom and meters on the top. Centimeters cancel out. And I get 120 meters divided by 100. And dividing by 100 is super easy. I'm going to move my decimal over 2 places because there's 2 zeros. And I get 1 2/10 meters, which is exactly what it's supposed to be. So yes, they were correct. For this next part, the middle skate ramp is 2 5/10 meters wide. Amelia and her father want to use a board that is 23 5/10 decimeters long. Is the board wide enough for them to use? We need to convert to meters to find out. This is for you to try. And just know that 1 meter is 10 decimeters. And that's it. So try it out. We'll check it out in class. All right, now we're going to convert metric units of capacity. Capacity is how much something can hold. Raji poured 150 liters of water into an aquarium. How much more water does he need to fill it? And the capacity of that fish tank is 2 2/10 hectoliters. Hecto means 100, so there's 100 liters equals 1 hectoliter. So there we go. We're going to put 2.2 hectoliters over 1, and I need hectoliters to cancel out. So I'm going to put 1 hectoliter on the bottom and 100 liters on top. Hectoliters cancel out, and I'm multiplying by 100, and I get 220 liters of capacity. And now since I already have 150 liters in there, I'm just going to find the difference, which is 70 more liters to go. That's how much more water. And here we go. Now we're going to be converting metric units of mass. So Lyle has a bowl that contains 8/10 of a kilogram of salt, and he removes with a spoon 850 centigrams of salt. How much salt in centigrams remains? You should know that 1,000 grams is 1 kilogram, and 100 centigrams equals 1 gram. So let's go ahead and change our kilograms to centigrams. 8/10 of a kilogram, I'm going to put that over 1. I'm going to change to grams. I need kilograms on the bottom so that they cancel out. And they do. And now I have grams, but I don't want to be in grams. I want to be in centigrams. So I need to have my grams cancel out. 1 gram goes on the bottom then, and 100 centigrams on top. Grams cancel out. And I end up with 8/10 times 1,000 times 100 centigrams. And I can multiply by powers of 10 very easily. I'm just moving my decimal over, so times 1,000 is going to be 1, 2, 3. And then times 100 is 2 more. That 5th grade math comes in handy. and I get 80,000 centigrams as my answer. Again, I multiplied by 1,000, that's 3 places, and then 100, that's 2 more places. So to make violet paint, Iris mixes 2,500 liters of red paint, 2,500 liters of blue paint, and 4 5/10 centiliters of white paint. And we want to know how many centiliters of paint there are in the mixture. So it looks like we need to change the liters to centiliters and then put them all together. And again, centi means 100, so there are 100 centiliters is 1 liter. That's your conversion. Give it a try, and we'll talk about it in class. And we have some straight up practice. We want to know what's bigger, 250 meters or 2,500 kilometers. Remember, there are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. And we are going to use an equivalent rate to convert 35 centimeters to meters. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. And that's all we have today. Have a great day and see you next time.